Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to switch your Instagram account to personal account. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Instagram in here. All right, now when you are in a professional account of your Instagram and you want to go back to a personal account, what you can do is you can tap on your profile picture here on the bottom right corner. And here tap on the three lines on the upper right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Okay, now in here you can tap on creator tools and controls. In here you can see that we have an option to switch account type. Okay, now here you can tap on switch to personal account. All right, now your account is switched back to personal account. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.